Hi everyone, this is Scott from Photocrati. Today I have a very cool little tip for you, and it's going to be very easy for you to implement this if you would like. So, not every single person that visits your site is going to hit the print button and print out your blog article or your page, etc. However, you might find that you get some visitors that do want to print your content or your contact information, something like that. So you never know. So there's some things you can do to add print-friendly buttons to your site. So for instance, printfriendly.com, you can actually get a button for to WordPress plugin that will add this little print-friendly button, as you see right here, onto your website. And what you would do is you would actually see that button show up, and then someone can click print friendly and then print out the website or the page in a print friendly version. So here's, just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about, here's a demo page right here, and it's got a bunch of text content and it's got a photo. So right now, if I hit print, watch what happens. It shows the sidebar, it shows the menu, it shows all the content, which is good. You're even seeing the scroll bar and then the comment box. So a lot of this is useless. A lot of this doesn't need to be printed. So for instance, what happens is if I copy this and go to printfriendly.com and hit print preview, it's actually going to generate a print-friendly version, no sidebar, very clean. Okay, so it's a really cool way to do it. And you can even click and remove text or remove a photo if you want to. So what happens is with the print-friendly plugin, it'll add the button and then you'll have that same experience, but the people won't have to leave your website. There is another way that you can do this without using a plugin, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So let me close the print friendly. So I found this site called printstylesheet.com, and what you can do in WordPress is actually add a separate style sheet, separate from the themes, that is called print.css, and have the theme call that that style sheet. Now, not every single person understands CSS. Not every person understands how to implement things like that in custom coding. So what I want to show you is this method is actually pretty neat, and because of the Photocrati dynamic style sheet, it's so easy for you to implement. So here's what I did. First, I left in where they had don't waste paper show up after the body content when they hit print. However, I changed it to say please consider the environment and don't waste paper. It's a little bit nicer, I think, on the user experience. But then what I did was I have it so when you hit print, it hides the sidebar, it hides the menu, it hides the navigation below the content, it hides the respond portion of the comments. It will still print the comments if there are comments in the page, but it will hide that comment box for other people to comment because they're printing it out. They don't need to comment. So here, check this out. This is how you add this to your Photocrati site. We're going to copy this, and then we're going to go to the other options in the Photocrati theme, and then you got custom CSS code as the last option. So you can scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then paste that in there and hit update custom CSS. Now it's saved. Now I'm going to go back to the site and refresh. And now if I go to hit print, watch what happens. No more sidebar, no scrolling bar, no menu. It's all right here, just the content, and that's it. Now we can clean it up even more, finding the extra spaces and removing them. If you really wanted to, you can customize it even further. But I'm giving this to you as a base template for getting your print style sheet there, so that people are not printing useless things that they don't need. So hopefully this is helpful to you. Yes, it's not as pretty as using printfriendly.com, but it's so easy. You don't need another plugin, you don't need another button on your site. You can just add it to your style sheet, and automatically when they hit print, they're getting the content they need printed. So I hope that's useful. Thanks for watching.